Alright guys, we are here at the Bright and Shiny car wash here in Clinton, which is actually owned by the Village Car Wash, which is the car wash over by Arby's and the Missouri Cinema 6 Theater. And we are going to be washing my mom's 2013 Chevy Cruze with this DNS 5000 automatic system right here. Let's go ahead and pay for it. We pick the premium wash, which is $7. Pardon me while I'm getting my stuff out here. Verifying card. Sale approved. There go the blasters. I'm gonna come around here and get a view from the front. And there it goes. It's currently applying pre-soak right now. You can see inside it right there. The system travels on this big rail here. It's an old setup actually. Now, I never got to film this, but from what I remember, this used to be an Oasis Typhoon system, I believe. I never got a chance to film it though. And here's high pressure. I'm not getting wet, I'm standing back. Oh, it's coming towards me. That is a very powerful system. Very powerful. All right, here's Trigloss or triple foam. I don't see much color in there, but it does work. Definitely makes some noise. Oh, right in my face. Up, whoa. the sprayer there is a little out of orientation. This is flying towards me. Whoa, oh my word. Well, I got mist all over my glasses. Yeah. There's a spot free. And that's it.